Okay, got one in. Okay, gonna go yellow here. Now pop the yellow into the middle, just do a little soft screw over to this side, pot this one, then pot this one, have the angle where I can pot this one and bounce up and land on that one that's in between the red and the yellow. Pot that one, then play for the one into the middle next. Okay, then I can just play like a little soft stun shot. So I've got the angle to pot that one into the middle, to come down, so I've got that last one to pot it, and I can just bounce it up through the gap and get on the black into the middle. Okay, so just need to make sure here that you don't land short. So you're better off just potting this and screwing back into the cushion. Okay, and then you've got perfect angle to pot it and just bounce out off the cushion, or just roll it in. Okay, so the worst spot is to land above it like that. You need to land below it. All right, so you just play the screw back into the cushion here, and you should be below it or dead straight at worst. Okay, as you can see, perfect. Now just roll this in, dead weight. Okay, got perfect angle now to just bounce up. As I said, perfect angle now to pot this one and bounce up and try to get on that one in the gap, and then we're going to play for the one into the middle next after that. So you just check the angle that you want. Okay, so just hit the cue ball just below top spin here. Okay, that's perfect. Now I know if I just do just a little stun screw shot, just want the cue ball just to come back just a little bit. Okay, that's perfect. Now I know if I just play this shot, little soft stun screw again. Okay, just want just the angle to land just here, so I can just pot that and come down. All right, so just a little soft stun. Okay, now just play a little stun shot. Okay, just to bounce off the cushion. Yeah, well, I didn't hit it quite hard enough, but still okay. Alright, now just stun up through the gap. And pop the black. Okay, a couple of balls in off the break. Map her out. Alright, so we know, because that yellow's behind the black, if we just have a quick check, once that yellow of the hole's gone, that yellow's on, okay? Or the yellow's on the middle. So we know by potting that one, we have easy access to get to that yellow. Alright, so gonna go yellow here, pot the yellow in the middle, bounce back up. Hopefully be able to pot this one into here, come back around and get on the yellow into the corner. Okay, now I can pot that one, come back over here, and then pot that one and the one in the corner, and then the black. So just gonna roll this one in. Actually, sorry, gone ahead of myself here, I forgot a ball. Start again, pot this one, bounce up, gonna get that ball, get rid of that first, come back over here, pot this one, then pot this one to come back there, to pot that one, and then pot that one, and pot the black in the middle. That's exactly how I'm going to go. So just roll this one in. Okay. Now I'll play to get on this one next. Alright, so I'm just going to screw straight back. Don't have to hit it real hard. Okay. Now just pop this one, bounce out. Alright, as I said, we already know, because I moved that yellow, once I pop this one, the yellow's on into the corner, or I can even run through to here. So it depends how straight I land on this shot. So just going to play a nice little soft screw shot here. Okay. I've got a little bit too far, but as I say, I've got the options. Can play for it into the corner or into the middle. So I'm going to play for it into the middle now, because I can just roll this in and hold for the yellow into the middle so I can get on the black. Okay, so it's about keeping your options open. Nice little stun shot. And then just pop the black, just roll it in.